how to move your post to trash on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to move your post to trash on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines here in the top corner, and then click here to go to your profile, and now click these 3 points here, and not here, just go down and select any post you want, like this one here, and click these 3 points, and then click move to trash and move, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.